Yo, what is up guys? Made Gaming here, and today we're going to be doing a Watch Dogs Legion Part 2. So, for those of you who haven't watched Part 1 already, I'll link in the description below. Highly recommend you guys watch this series, or watch that episode. It's pretty nice episode, if I do say so myself. It's pretty fun to watch through. And, yeah, let me just do this real quick. Okay, so, um... yeah, I highly recommend you watch that before watching this episode, because we made a lot of progress in there, hour long, just because it was the first episode. I won't do that. And what we're going to hopefully do is play this whole game through and have some fun playing it. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, don't forget to drop a sub, um, hit that notification bell so you know whenever we drop some new fire content. And don't forget to like the video to show some support and comment what games you'd like to see next. I'm really
Press
down to
button
play
A.
anything, like I've said before. So yeah, I highly recommend you watch the first episode. I'll link in the description. And yeah, let's get it. So I believe we left off where we finished the recruitment for that new guy. Let's just not worry about that. Okay, campaign, continue. Let's go. So, I believe they are making an online version of this game in 2020, yeah, in the end of 2020, in December, because as of this recording, it's November 21st. For those of you who are new to the channel and haven't watched any episodes, stay tuned for the, Thanksgiving special. That's going to be a nice, little live stream. We're going to have a lot of fun doing different stuff on that stream. Hopefully get some viewers in here. Hopefully have a good time. And yeah, let's just load up this game and let's get into it. So, what's it called? If you guys haven't already, I recommend you pick up this game. It's on sale for Black Friday, in the PlayStation and Xbox store. I don't know about PC, but I know it's on sale for the PlayStation and Xbox store. On Xbox, I think you're able to get it for 40. On PlayStation, I think you're able to get it for 40 as well, 40 or 30, I don't know, something like that. But I really like this game so far. I've only played the first episode. It's really all I've played through. And I've been liking it a lot. So let's just hop right into this. There I am.
Are you ready for a new operation?
Yeah, winner. This one's not going well.
Do you require support?
No, they're gone. Let's go.
Okay. So let's see. Missions. Let's see. Should we do this? I'm liking the way that handwear's looking. Where would that bring me? Bare knuckle league. What? The all bare knuckle arenas. Let's check the map. I guess we'll do one of these and then we'll do a main story mission. So it looks like the closest one to me is right there. So, don't mind me. Oh no! Oh, it was a joke. Oh, I'm beating up the wrong person. Hop in the car. Just hop in the car. We gotta go. Oh, my bad. Don't mind me. Oh no. Oh, my driving abilities aren't the best.
Getting close. Right, let's find out what it's then.
Okay, what's up? Bare knuckle boxing. This dude looks like he's in his mid-40s, but he's still ready to defeat anyone who tries running up on us. So let's read this through. There are 5 title tournaments in London, each one with its own champion. Once a title fight is completed, that arena will host exhibition tournaments with new fighters. The Punter's Offer. Some matches come with special offers from influential high rollers. Completing the Punter's Offer grants additional rewards for meeting the betting goals. And once an arena is complete, you may choose new recruits from a list of recruitable fighters. Okay, so you get recruits from this as well. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna hold in here, and I think it's just a series of fist fights. Yeah, let's do it. About it.
Well, you'd better be. Bets are closed and we're ready to roll.
Generous of you to accept this beating.
This man really thinks he's about to defeat me. Kind of funny.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Solid
Oh yeah.
strike from a solid fight. They're getting murdered in there. Almost knocked their teeth right out. Oh, that hit like fucking hurt. Oh, yes, it's knocked down. That was a
Oh, yeah.
lovely knockdown.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Trying to go for the Punter's Offer. Act like trying to get the dodges.
We're back at it again,
Oh
folks.
my
The
God.
only game in town worth your time. Society's crumbling.
Come on and try it,
Institutions fumbling. Come and see a couple of fighters take it out on each other. Come on, for the record books. Just like a proper live highlight reel. Did you all see that monster hit on the stream? Fucking hell!
Oh yeah.
Solid hit! That's the shit we like to see. All right, people, or what?
I'm right here. What are you gonna do?
Both of our fighters are tired, trying to conserve energy.
Right hook. Right hook.
Oh, shit! And that's a solid blow there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get out my lap.
Absolutely disgusting blow.
Mid-40s, works at a business office, and he's still out here destroying everyone. Thinks they can just run up on us.
I want to hear that energy, folks. I want to hear the love and the hate. You get hold. The fighters step into the limelight. Take a look at those faces. Place your bets and strap the fuck.
This'll be a laugh.
Oh shit! Could that be the win right now? Now that's entertainment. One massive blow to our fighter.
Show me what you've got.
Someone's gonna have to break the stalemate soon. Oh, they're gonna feel that hitch in the morning if they wake up. Looks like they're sizing each other up. Unbelievable blow.
Get out. Get out.
Well, anyone will come back from that.
That guy thinks that he's built. He's not. He's not.
They're bold, they're cunning, they're feeling no pain. Don't let your guard down around these two. Buckle in for this show. It's gonna be absolutely fucking bonkers.
Oh no. There's 2 of them. See how this goes.
You think you're some kind of big deal?
I don't know about 2 of them.
No one will try over.
You think I'm your...
Absolutely disgusting.
Let's make. Suka.
Oh, they're gonna feel that hit in the morning if they wake up. Oh shit! Could that be the
Raising
middle
of
right
matters,
now?
not that it will.
Oh no. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I was not expecting 2 people, but it's okay. We'll make it through this. Wait, do I have to restart that whole
Hello,
thing?
hello. Someone else sloughed off work, and now it's your turn.
Fantastic.
Right,
can't
let's find
die.
out what it's then. Getting close.
Okay, I'm gonna try this again.
Come right in.
You can't die. I did not know that. I was expecting it so it'd be like
Are you watching
something
it
different.
online, on the street?
That's crazy. That's really crazy.
Are you here live to feel the heat, the sweat, the blood, wherever you are? Come on, then. This is the most exciting thing you'll see all day. Oh, that ain't look like fucking hurt. Unbelievable blow. Don't know how anyone will come back from that.
Done. Already. Okay, let's go. Lego. Lego.
Place your bets, fight lovers. Here they come.
I'm not listening.
Purveyors of violence and mayhem. They're poised, they're ready, they're wild and steady. Get on your feet and let them hear it. Did you all see that monster hit on the stream? Fucking hell. They're getting murdered in there. And they're down. Did you see them on the live stream?
That's crazy. That's crazy. They think they can run up on me, but they can't.
Are you watching at home, online, on the street?
You gonna dance?
Are you here live to feel the heat, the sweat, the blood? Wherever you are, this is the most exciting thing you'll see all day. A solid hit! That's the shit we like to see. Am I right, people? Or what? Just like a proper live highlight reel.
Done already? Get out of here. Now it's time for the team. I think.
No, you're not seeing double. Make way for one of the strongest
Time to
players in the
introduce
league.
my fist
I
to
hope
your-
you're all watching. Don't blink. You don't want to miss one bit of this action. Oh my God! You're absolutely disgusting. And that's a hit. One for the record books. Now that's what I'm talking about. Solid strike from a solid fighter. Almost knocked their teeth right out.
Got him. Let's see it.
Hope you didn't bet on the wrong fighter. That's how it goes in BKL. Expect the unexpected.
Yeah. Let it go. They thought that I wouldn't win just because I've never been there before. It's all good. I'm obviously being one of these two. I'm gonna go with this one. But I can select all of them. Tournament one. Let's go. Okay, now I think I'm going to start doing the main mission. Lightest spec. Okay, so let's start off by seeing where we need to go. I'm definitely going to go there first. I want a fast car.
So weekend is shut down. Went to the show, sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, better know when it's shut down. You wanna act like a G for the camera. It's a rasta. Say you don't eat pork, don't eat pussy, liar. You're just an actor. Blood, you're not on your beam. And if Selassie I saw you, he would say, blood, take off the red, gold and green. Them man are soft just like ice cream. Scene, start moving correctly. If you don't wanna upset me, you get me. You tryna show me you're friendly, I told you before the shit don't impress me. I better make you respect me when you see the man them are selling out Wembley. Roll deep and I blacked out Bentley, pull up outside like what one sexy. Yeah, and it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring ring pussy is shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, better know when it's shut down.
A bunch of young men all dressed in black dancing extremely aggressively on stage. It made me feel so intimidated, and it's just not what I expect to see on primetime TV.
I'm in a different class. When I get through, I'ma bring my dogs. 2 by 2, man, I walk on the arc. Sitting at the front just like Rosa Parks. Trust me, you don't wanna see me get dark. Upset, cause man, are way up right now, and the shit happened all so fast. I was in Paris, shut down Lark. New York, shut down Central Park. Talk about London, yo, Frisco, where should I start? Walked in, back 10, 16 bars, and each and every one of them came from the heart. None of my lyrics are stolen. Go on then, that's my slogan. Wanna know how I did it with no label, no A-list songs, and I told them, blood, I just shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring ring, pussy is shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down.
Disrupt. So I need to go up there. Okay, restricted areas are dangerous. They are marked on the mini-map. Trespassers will be attacked on site. Press R to scan the area and reveal scouting opportunities. Hijacker village residents and
Albion have established an operational base in the Royal Court of Justice.
Suppose the tracks that they've taken over the courts, they throw everyone who crosses them in a cage.
Exactly. But it likely means there's information here about how Albion are targeting dissenters, the who and the why. We need that data if we're going to disrupt their operation.
okay.
Over there.
Okay.
Balls.
Now I hope
Someone's down.
Standard
Moving on. No one's here.
I have this one.
Where are you hiding?
the army.
Keep looking. Eyes peeled. They're here.
Let's see what you're looking at.
Nobody's here. Searching
Let's
elsewhere.
have a look around.
There's no sign of them. Send a description with the report.
Okay, let's see what else we got.
have we got, Bagley?
A list of what Albion consider high-value targets that are threats to the peaceful running of London. See here, a journalist, and this one runs a community shelter. Good God, bar your doors.
What the fuck?
All suspected of sowing rebellion or exhibiting tendencies towards. Albion is systematically arresting people even before they rise up. Joke's on them. This list can actually help us find like-minded allies willing to help us. Well done. Now, let's disrupt some of Albion's propaganda and give some hope to the people.
Head over here. I'm not driving on the left side of the room. Nothing will make me drive on the left side of the room. Skirt. Cut through here. So, how do
You're a funny one.
Bro, that's like.
Congratulations, you're the chosen one.
Grand.
All citizens have an important role to play. Report, keep crime seeing this safe.
Sorry, Derby's. Yeah, I'm not fast.
Report the incident to the authorities immediately. Don't be a weak link in the chain. Additional security features. I don't like the look of that. Hold the area. There's a hacker about. God, get that APW out. To the authorities.
Okay, so how do we get here? Uh-oh.
Attention. Extremist groups is a punishable offence. Individuals inciting and promoting disorder. Threats to London security. You have been warned.
Look around. It's Albion, Albion, fucking Albion everywhere. It's burnt into the skin of this city. This isn't just propaganda. This is a fucking psychological cattle tag.
There's going to be that much less once you're done here. Let's give Camden a break from these eyesores.
I'm on it.
So how do I do this?
Immediately. Failure to report
Go over
incident
there.
could result in
Okay, what? Don't mind me, just hop the fence.
If you hijacked that scissor lift, you could use it to access the rooftop.
Okay. To climb pipes. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. That's actually really cool. Okay, now what? What's this? tech points. That's cool, that's cool. It's a parkour going. Hop up here. Hop. If I do this right, hop up here. Okay, right there. What do I do? Can I hop the fence? Okay. There, red hops.
The use of any third-party apps to block your tracking or CTOS activity is illegal and dangerous. Unauthorized programs leave you vulnerable to digital attacks and compromises security.
Pro hacking abilities. Yes, sir. So what is this Defiance?
Yes, nicely done. That'll get people's attention. Let them know someone is standing up to Albion. Light the spark that they can stand up to.
If nothing else, it'll relieve their eye strain.
What now?
Yeah, mission started. Clarion call.
We're already seeing results from what you've done. That list we found named a journalist in Camden who's been investigating Albion. We reached out and he's got information that can help us. I think you should meet with him.
Send me the location.
Oh no.
Listen. Don't listen. Just calm down.
Let's just take a wait and get out of here. Oh! That was not good. Some of these cars would not have drivers. Cause like I'm like straight up like it's like hopping in them. No one's coming out.
You're a funny one.
What did I do?
Don't. You're rub. This is resist arrest. Tosser. What the hell was that for? Fox.
Asked for it.
Run.
You're going to regret that.
Bro, what do I do against that? Oh my god. That's really crazy.
Hello, hello. DedSec needs your help.
I'm going.
Okay. Hey, what's up?
Heard you need help. What can I do?
You're the crew that's been sticking it to Albion. Can't believe someone else is. Thought I was alone, right? Not doing much, just putting the word out. But you? Taking action, mate.
Yeah, agreed. Tyranny isn't an idea. It's an institution. Boots, paper, plumbing. We tear down Albion, we make room for something better. So what do you have?
Almost got clip finding this. All of Albion's operational data for the entire city. Convoy routes, surveillance targets, assets. It's all there. Thinking you can make good use of that.
Fucking right.
Here's a sample. Albion's closed King's Cross to the public, right? But what people don't know is that they're using it as their logistics centre. Materials, troops, whatever. A lot of it runs through there. You want to give the people a huge boost? Hit that place. Put it out of commission, and you'll severely hamstring Albion's operations here in Camden. Hell, everywhere.
That's the move then.
Okay. So, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button so you know whenever we hit that like button to show support, and hit that notification bell so you know whenever we drop some new fire content. Comment games like next, and peace.